Thank you so much. Kung sino, member eh. Good luck, my friend.
Hello. Ay, who yelled at Omar later a while ago? Hindi ko alam isang lagay na halos katabi namin. Hindi ko alam. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Si MMD ba interviewin nga natin, habulin ko? Pabantay lang direct.
Kaya ba dyan? Pwede na ako.
Ay, sorry. Oh, go. Ay, sorry.
Awesome job. Thank you. Hi.
Used to watch Miss Grand Prix. Now, I'm on stage.
Michelle Pahaus.
Happy ka naman. Ang galing-galing
Ano man?
mo sa
Ay, maraming salamat. Best effort lang po.
So proud of you.
Oo naman, maraming salamat.
Sasali na ba?
Next year.
Same answer sa stage.
Ayun na.
Abangan natin
Laban
po.
ka namin.
Thank you. You know, I always appreciate our pageant press. You all have such a special place in my heart. Thank you. Hashtag di pa tapos. Laging hindi pa tapos.
Michelle, how does it feel to be put on the spot on stage? Correct.
Sanay na tayo dyan.
Diba?
Hot seat, hot stage. Lagi tayong handa sumagot. Diba?
Lahat. Di pa ba tapos?
You know, I'll never close doors, pero nararamdaman ko parang hindi pa talaga ako tapos.
Para ba sa All Stars to? O para sa Miss Grand International back to back to back?
Ang masasabi ko, where's the fun in that if nagsabi na ako ng sagot ngayon? 'Di ba? Kaya abangan na lang natin. Abangan natin.
Saan ka mas interesado? All-Stars o sa normal MG, right? If ever.
You know, kasi obviously ito yung Miss Grand All-Stars. And I do love the Miss Grand International also. So they really offer two different things. But when they announced Miss Grand All-Stars, syempre, it really did resonate with me because it's for queens that feel like may ibubuga pa. Yung mga hindi pa nananalo internationally. But of course, if the question is, do I want to represent the Philippines again? Of course, the answer is yes. Alam niyo naman na mahal ko ang Pilipinas.
Alam namin yun. So, totoo ba yung napabalita na dapat lalaban sa MMD this year?
Ang taas ng chance kung hindi siya na-reschedule. Yun nga lang, medyo punong-puno talaga yung May ko since last year. Kaya, you know, when the perfect opportunity comes, the things in your life, mag-a-align din naman.
Alam mo, MMD, kung naalala mo yung vlog ko na pinanood mo at yung comment ka doon,
Tapos
sabi
kayo
ko,
lahat.
ang sabi ko doon, pag si MMD lumaban sa Miss Grand International,
bibigyan niya ng sobrang class ang MGI.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Napakatapat namin talaga.
Nasa dugo ko naman talaga, mga Marquez, pag nasa entablado, we'll definitely give a show.
Michelle, how does it feel like hosting here in Thailand?
The hospitality is amazing. The resemblance to Manila is so interesting also. It's been 10 years since I was last year in Bangkok. Kaya napakasarap din naman yung pakiramdam na nandito. And Miss Grand International Org has been taking care of me since the day I arrived. Kaya, it's been nothing but love.
What is your biggest takeaway from how Nawat is staging his productions?
We can definitely take tips. A lot of productions around the world should take tips at how Papa Nawat stages his productions. Definitely. From the energy to the lighting to the stage, and just a long runway is what every queen needs to show off their walk that they've trained years on end. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of productions can take notes.
MMD, you have mentioned that you would like to represent the Philippines again. But given a choice, would you want a sash with the Philippines on it, or would you want a sash with Michelle on it?
Philippines. With Philippines. As when I'm on stage, I compete as Michelle, but the passion, the purpose really comes from the people that support me. I wouldn't be who I am today without the fans back home.
Wow. So now, it's more of MGI talaga kesa All-Stars, gano'n?
Ay, abangan nyo na yan.
Kasi pinapili kita sa klase ng sash eh. Naisang kita, no?
Sige natin.
Naisang
Malay mo,
kita.
maraming pasabog ang organization at hindi natin alam.
Yes.
Yes, Papa.
Ayan na.
Yes po.
Oh.
Picture with Adela Pearl and Emma.
Yes, of course. Excuse me po.
Habulin niyo si Nawat!
Nasaan na si Papa Nawa? Here's Michelle Marquez D. And Emma Tiglao.
Adela, saan mo naman gusto? Sa Universe o sa
Yang.
Mamili ka, Adela, ngayon.
And just say hi.
Sandwich by Universe and Grand.
Yes.
Dito on the spot ko si Michelle. Ah.
Spot pa yun. I think gusto lang natin marinig yung sagot ng
Eh, bakit ikaw magiging national director ng MGI Philippines?
Ayan,
Hindi ba si
talaga lang siya.
MD?
Ang yaman mo naman, unahin muna natin.
Pero kung sakali bang you were given the chance to do that, would you want Michelle Marquez to be your first queen?
Yes, depends on an MMD if she wants to work with us. Do you want to be the next Miss Grand?
Pero di ba inamin ninyo sa'yo na butik na siya sumali sa batch mo?
Yes.
In our podcast.
Yes. Final answer.
Yes, the final. Subtle plug. Hi, everyone.
Yes.
So, wala pa rin final answer kung sasali ka ba talaga?
Wala pang ang schedule. Ngayon na naman.
Ay,
Grabe.
August na. Ang schedule, August.
Abangan natin ang official announcement.
Wala pa daw sa schedule, mukhang inaabangan.
Hashtag, di pa tapos.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
ang tanong.
Always being straightforward.
Ano palitin?
Dito nga, pababa.
Yeah, go.
Ang tanong, handa na ba ulit si Michelle Marquez D na i-represent ang Philippines sa international stage?
Ang tanong, handa po ba kayong tanggapin ako para maging representative?
Ay, ngayon pala, handa na kami.
Michelle, kasi
Oh.
handa ng ponytail mo.
Oo nga.
Yes.
Ang ganda-ganda mo dyan, Michelle.
Yung Bao and Nelly Seboy, hindi ko alam yung magic na nagagawa nila na from short to long in 5 minutes.
Grabe, di ba?
Ganda.
Mukha kang Barbie.
Ay, thank you po. Yun yung peg namin. Salamat. Sana kung kaya lang humaba po ng buhok ko ng ganyan lang.
Oo.
Medyo matagal po.
Hindi, madali na ba maglagay ng wig eh. So,
Ayun
diba?
na.
Mukhang reigning queen si Michelle ng MGI. Parang ikaw yung reigning queen. Ikaw ba magpapasa ng corona sa MGI?
Ay, hindi po.
Oh,
Michelle, Michelle is a former Miss Universe Philippines
Yes,
and also now the pangatakos. Now, I'm gonna ask a controversial question.
Sure.
The scoring that they did yesterday, madaming nagre-react ng mga fans and also people in the pageant industry that the scores that ganun kababa is very disrespectful. What's your stand on that?
I mean, of course, I'm glad I'm a host and I'm not a judge. The judges definitely have the freedom to score what they feel is right. I can't speak on behalf of any of the judges that are there, but I know it's such a breath of fresh air to have that kind of transparency in pageantry again. Of course, everybody has their own opinions, but ultimately, what happened yesterday is not the final competition naman. Hindi naman yun ang magtatapos sa laban. So what I really hope and pray for is that the girls focus on their journey. They focus on what they have to offer because the day that they have to prepare for the most is really on the 30th. And yun talaga magsaseal sa destiny nila. No matter what anyone says, as long as the girl on stage is happy with their performance, no one can take that right away from them.
Wow, very well said. You have mentioned transparency.
Yes.
Is it because of your experience in Miss Universe?
I mean, I definitely wish there was that kind of transparency during my year. I think maraming hindi magagalit if ganun ka-transparent ulit ang Miss Universe. Of course, naramdaman na kasi natin ang feeling ng transparent scoring in Miss Universe. So I'm not against it. I'm not opposed to it. But definitely, I think this is one of those competitions that marami mapapaisip, marami magko-question kung ano mas prefer nila. And I think that's maybe why Papa Nawat is also doing it, to really show that Miss Grand All-Stars is different from the rest of the pageants.
And what can you say that besides Spain and many other countries, France has just issued a statement that they are already pulling out of Miss Universe?
Well, I'm sure they have their reasons. I'm not actually too updated on what's happening there. But I definitely wish them the best, whatever happened. But again, I'm not too well versed on the issue that happened now.
Michelle, message mo naman sa mga Pilipinas na lumalaban.
Yes.
Mga kababayan, napakadami niyo pong pasabog. I'm so proud to call myself Pinoy because of all of your grabe pinaghandaan nila. Lahat sila, they're at their best, they're at the top of their game. And napaka-excited na po ako na ma-experience ang finals here sa MGI Hall. I know it's so different to have 5 representatives, no?
Yes.
But I'm enjoying it. Kayo ba? Are you
Very
enjoying
much.
it also?
Sinabi
If
lang
you're
kung sinong
not doing
una lang.
MGI, well, we see you in Paris Fashion Week. We miss you. It's been like
Oh.
several years after
No, I
Michael
was
Cinco show.
Yes. Well, I was there last year also. I had to skip January, but you can expect me this year also.
Yes, because Michael is coming back. Can
I
we see you as
know.
opening the show as well?
I'm always available.
Michelle, pwede mo bang ulitin yung sinabi mo?
Yes, which one?
Na handa na ba kayo tanggapin ikaw sa fashion?
Okay, good to see you. Nakapili ka ngayon.
Yeah.
Ang tanong, Michelle, ang tanong, ito, handa ka na ba ulit?
Ay, lagi tayong handa. Nasa
Hashtag.
Ay, pero it takes a village to create a queen. Kaya sana tanggapin ako ng aking team po ulit.
Hashtag.
Michelle,
Patapos sa
off topic, nandito ka ngayon sa Bangkok after so many years. May chance makita kayo ni Porcil, ni Antonio.
You know, we're friends, but you know, I'm very hectic now. I don't believe we have a chance to see each other for this trip, but we are friends.
How does it feel having this first project with Papa Nawat?
Ang saya. Ang saya. The energy is great. It's so organized.
Nag-usap lang kayo.
Like when they say seven on the dot, we're ready. And I appreciate the efficiency. I appreciate the energy. I appreciate how they've been taking care of us also. Na parang hindi ako nasa-stress. Thank you so much, Papa Nawat, for the opportunity.
Michelle, did they
Papa
ever
Nawat
ask you if
Did
they ever
Papa
ask you
Nawat
or
ask
hinted
you
if
to
you were to join MGI?
Oh my God! Yun na yun.
Yun yung sagot.
Yun yung sagot.
Paano kayo nag-usap mag-host doon sa panonood na
No,
nakita kayo sa MUPH Coronation Night?
together at MUPH, magkatabi kami. And he invited me to watch, and he said that we would love to have you there, maybe participate in some way. But I didn't actually get the inquiry until I was in Switzerland just a few weeks ago. And he invited me to be one of the hosts. Syempre, tanggap tayo agad. It's an amazing opportunity. And I've said it before that I've always wanted to experience the Miss Grand experience. And to have it on stage, I love being on stage. Kaya, syempre, nakakataba po ng puso.
And congratulations, ang galing-galing mo.
Thank you so much.
Grabe, ang
Thank
ganda ng
you.
tandem yung dalawa ni
Ano?
Emma. Ay, tatlo ni
Ganda ng
Emma.
chemistry.
Tsaka ni Pang-
Aming podcast. She was my pilot episode.
Yes.
We had a long talk.
Yes.
So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michelle.
So much, Michelle.
Thank you.
Hihintayin ka namin sa MVI.
Susi, buksan ko na.
Can you give us a like example, like for example, your introduction?
Kung
Sa
mag-MVI.
MVI.
Ano yan?
Hi.
Ayan na. Sample
Si
naman.
Emma, rehearse yan ng napakadaming beses. Kaya,
Ay, ayan na.
thank you. Maraming maraming.
Thank you. See you, Michelle. Ganda. Sorry.
Okay lang. Alam mo naman ako. Kaya ako literally kung basta makatanong kung hindi na
Ha?
proud na proud.
Ay, sila yung nanalo. So much, Sir Jojo.
Ay, kay Sir Jojo.
Opportunities kasi ang dami talagang ganap after the competition. So sobrang saya-saya namin kasi after the competition, ang dami naming yung mga job.
Opportunity.
So thank you so much.
Maglalabas.
May
Mm.
Thank you so much. Congratulations again.
Dito, lalabas. Mom's.
Tama lang. Tama.
Ay, si Jojo nandoon. Hello. Hello. Are you going out now?
Yeah, I said there go out to the Philippines.
Hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta. Nandun si Jojo. Oo. Pupunta ako sa mga contestants. Alam ko na. Doon sila sa labas. Dito muna tayo pumwesto. So we wait for them to come out. Mama Drew, dito sila lalabas? Sa likod?
Ganito.
Ay, sa likod. Oo nga. Pero nandiyan pa yung bus. Hello. Hello, where are the girls?
Are you back to hotel?
Yeah, I'm going back.
Oh. Um, today I'm just post picture of Miss Philippines. Which we
Viral?
you remember this
Yes.
because it's too late.
Why late?
I've been extremely lately, extremely busy. So, yeah, very late.
Meron ka ba?
You're back.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, I'm going down at the elevator.
แฟนไม่กล้าเลยเห็นอยู่ไม่ต้องโดนหนีนะเพราะอะไรมันจะได้ดังอยู่เงียบๆทำอะไรล่ะอยู่เงียบๆทำอะไรล่ะจริงๆไม่ได้ผมว่าไม่ได้ออร์แกนิกเนาะไม่เป็นออร์แกนิกที่ตามที่จะเป็นแบบนี้
เร็ว
ส่งเยอะ
แบบนี้อะไรกันเดี๋ยวสักพักใจอ่ะ
ไม่แต่เราเล่นกับความเฉพาะตัวจริงๆพูดเวลาสังเกตคนสับสนจะได้ไง
Hello. Have the girls already come out? Not yet.
I'm sorry.
Where are they? Huh?
I think they are backstage. Like you can get your beef. Yeah,
Really?
that's everything. Yeah.
I'm fine. Yeah? I'm fine.
That's fine. Oh, you gonna be Instagram international. Sometimes they ask me to be there.
小饼在我泳装时用在那里。
They're supposed to be coming out here anytime now. I'm not sure.
And you're still alive.
Yes, I am. Huh? Let's just wait for the girls to come out here because this is the elevator that will take them to the bus. Unless there is a secret exit. Okay, I skipped Jojo Bro guys na. Hi, is Miss Vietnam? Where's Miss Vietnam? Huh? Where's Miss Vietnam? Hong Yang. They Where? Okay. Hello, ate. Saan sila Gazini? Wala pa. Di ba pwede pumunta dun, no? Sa backstage? Nandun ba yung bus? McDonald's. Okay. McDonald's. McDonald's. Hoy, saan kayo pupunta? Nahanap siya. Sa McDo daw. Wala yung bus dito eh. Nasa may... Sa...
Nasa baba? Ba? Nasa baba? Parking sa baba. Basement.
Saan yung basement?
What?
Mag-elevator ba kami? May elevator eh.
Dito? No. Occidental Way. Okay, go. Wala nang number. Wala na si Gadi, di ba?
Bumaba kayo, di ba? Bumaba kayo, di ba? Ano nakita niyo sa baba?
Nota. Nota.
Ano nota?
Sa'yo lang, dagat.
Ano, Christian, ano nakita niyo sa baba? O, di ba sabi ni ma'am ni...
Yung balik.
Nasa basement yung bus.
Bababa kayo. Bakit basement?
Eh, nandun daw yung bus.
Yan yun na, susunod na lang tayo kay Adam. Tapos sabi niya sa akin kagabi,
Ay,
ikaw kasi sa akin. So sabi ko, maganda kasi na lang.
Adam, pagod na yung mga babae.
Oo,
O, di uwi na kayo. Ako hindi pa.
Ang teacher po si Adam. Hindi pa siya nag-aaral.
Imelda, ikaw ba yan?
Oo, nasapian na ako ni Imelda.
Baka nakalig to ha.
Ayan, hanapin niyo yung bus dyan. Nakaparking dito yung bus.
Pero lalabas yata.
Pasa sa labas.
Wala daw.
Wala yung bus sa labas. Aray! Nahuli. Saan yung bus?
CR lang. At ang tigil itong line. Kung saan may tao, doon tayo. Hello? Natipili po.
O, ito na. Nasaan ang bus? Nasaan yung bus? Ito yung elevator. Nasaan yung bus? Alam mo, imposible naman dito. McDo.
Filipino? Filipino? May service. Service tayo.
Umakyat kaya tayo sa Christian, akyat tayo sa 6th floor. Sundan na natin yung mga babae.
Ito ba tayo ako? Pero picture na muna. Guys, this is the second time.
Ay, naku, mamaya na yan. Akyat tayo. Oh.
Wow. Nasaan natin? Ano ba? Basement 1, basement 2, basement 4.
Basement 2 to. Oh. So,
Nasaan na tayo?
pasok tayo doon. Basement 2. Akyat tayo basement 1.
Umuwi na tayo.
Ay, hindi makapasok. May po siya.
Ay, oh my God, yung passion design, ay po pang nagpuro. Ate, oh my God, what's going on? Game, game. Okay.
Ano? Ayan yung bus. Ayan yung bus. Tama si Mama Drew sa McDo ang bus. Oh, dito yung lalabas. May exit pa ba?
Sabog pa tayo, going sa ano. Ada, mag-ano na tayo.
Sige, go.
Sa hotel. Hotel na tayo.
Ay! Ay! Fuchsia! Fuchsia! Sige, dito na. Pahawak.
Ang ganda ng
Diba? Thank you.
Thank you po so much for the love and support.
As
Grabe talaga.
in.
Oo.
Top
It-
3.
Diba?
Ano malaman ka sa voting?
As in, grabe kaya nga nagla-live ako mi kasi nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa kanila. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko susuklian yung pagmamahal nila sa akin kasi nagkaisa yung mga trans community sa Pinas, especially mga friends ko. Maraming salamat po. Kaya, pinapawisan ako kasi nagla-live talaga ako para mag-say thank you sa kanila. Diba?
Grabe, 30% pa yung
30% of the total scores is coming from, yeah.
was the Ruby.
As in, di ba? Nagkaisa talaga sila na, kaya nagla-live talaga ako kasi to say thank you, parang na-overwhelm ako, hindi ko alam kung paano ko susuklian yung ano, parang nahihiya na ako. Nahihiya na ako.
Ang dami nagmamahal sa'yo.
Di ba? As in, salamat. Of course.
Ganda.
Sorry na.
Latina, look like a Shakira. Venezuela. That's candidates.
Oh, what, babe?
Message to us.
For them? Oh.
All amigas. No fighting. No fighting.
No, we never fighting. They are very great girls. I really like both each other and support. I'm very proud, of you because you're doing very well job. I know these days being emotionally a lot. You don't know how it is, but it is very strong emotions. And sometimes, happen things, but it's not.
I think they
So-
put meaning on your reaction because your eyes are like that. That's why they put meaning. But Isabella's reaction is always like
Yes,
like
I am.
just misinterpreted, right?
Yes,
Understanding.
yes, exactly. Sometimes people don't understand because I'm very drama. I'm an actress.
What drama?
But I'm nice with you all the time. You are also with me. But it was I look like that because I was surprised.
Oh.
Because it was Gazzini. You know what I mean? So I was like, oh, but she's so strong, beautiful. So look hair like that. It was like,
Only her?
oh no, you. I know.
Hello.
Okay, sister.
We love you.
Best friends surrounded by Filipina queens.
This is so. How can I look in the word. This is amazing to be with Philippines because in Venezuela, in Latin America, we say one of the best are from Philippines. Oh, yes, talking about Venezuela. Venezuela.
Venezuela. Oh my God, I love. Oh my God, thank you very
Okay,
much.
questions? Any questions? How did you do today, babe?
I think I did very, very good. You know, we always when do something like catwalk or something like that, always we want more, right?
Right.
Yeah.
More,
Right.
always when we finish the catwalk,
Yes.
we say, okay, but I can do it better. I don't know
It-
why we always
yeah.
I know it's the perfectionist in us.
It's
right?
never enough.
It's never enough. Never enough.
Exactly.
After yung video all playing you all scored high in the swimsuit competition earlier.
Oh, oh,
With
there was.
Venezuela, they're already a powerhouse. So for me, it's a no surprise. Very
But today,
why we are a sister.
Yes, we uplift each other
But-
through and through.
for me, I get a little bit more today. My score high a little bit from yesterday, so I feel good.
You look gorgeous today, babe. I love
Yeah,
it.
but you know,
Yeah.
You always
We
do
always-
very well, babe.
Yes.
How did you adapt strategy for the swimsuit competition earlier?
I
Like your
don't
body was
It's-
artsy.
Oh my
Well,
God,
it's
thank
months of preparation, and finally we were able to showcase what we really have as a woman.
Cheers,
with
baby.
so
of
much-
preparation.
Fierce prayers.
yeah, that's why we it's never enough because we say like I have a lot of experience and I do this, so
Right.
we always make some mistakes, but we have to learn about all experience in life. So
I'm very happy for all the experience that we have.
yes,
So, in how many days is
13 days, babe.
No, but
12 days
1
now.
day. 1, 2
Uh,
days.
Yeah.
in
12
2 days, in 2
In
days.
2 days, yeah.
2 days is the final night. Well, here is morning.
Yes.
Morning final, right?
Yes.
Is no
Thank
in
you.
morning there. It's morning there.
Primero sister.
That's what I say. Venezuela.
Yes. The force to be reckoned with.
Yes.
Love you.
Love you all. And thank you so much for supporting, for the love. This is amazing.
Yes.
Yes, we really love
Yeah.
it. Mabuhay, Philippines.
You're doing an assignment, babe. I taught her that.
Yes, I love you, baby.
I love you.
Okay, Dark calling. See you, babe.
Awesome.
Thank you, Isabella.
Ano ko ng program sa performance?
And a message.
Ano message? Thank you.
Support her.
I know that. And I'm so happy that
You do well.
Ilaban ko lang siya. Ilabas ko lang lahat. And isang matatag na prayers kasi hindi madali yung pinagdaanan natin kahapon. Ang daming girls na umiiyak papuntang van, ang daming na dismaya. So this time around it's a calling to elevate our game and to be a better version of ourselves, of course.
At wala nakakuha ng bar.
Yes, at least naman yun ay naging blessing in disguise, 'di ba? It was meant to happen because so then both parties could learn. The candidates could learn, the judges could learn. I mean, with all due respect, with all their scores, I think we all deserve better.
Kasi sinadya mo ba yung pagkampas-ampas mo sa harapan ng mga judges?
Oo, syempre. Kung pwede lang ihampas lahat, ihahampas ko lahat. Oo. Oo.
Kasi
Oo.
last na lang, bago ka atake, your message na lang sa ating kapwa Pilipinas.
for the voting.
For the
Hello
voting
po,
side.
Bayanihan time. This time around, we are asking for your help for World Choice Award. It would really mean a lot for all of us Filipinas. And thank you so much. Keep liking our portrait challenge because pasok tayo sa top 20. Yeah. Yes, oo, supporter challenge. And then, just subaybayan nyo lang po kami kasi ibubuhos namin blood, sweat, and tears and prayers for all of this. Thank you so much for all the love and support.
Laban tayo!
Laban! Susuna ka!
Okay, pa-win Sudan.
Ay, oo. Oo, nakita ko siya kanina. Ang ganda niya pa rin. Hindi pa rin siya nagbabago. Ang sweet niya pa. Anyways, makapaiwan na ako.
Gazi, we're so proud of you.
Grabe na, Day. Nalungkot sa'yo, Day. Ako sa Manila. Ay!
Ay, bakoy, oy.
Adam, kunin mo naman yung bag mo.
Dali lang. Content muna.
Gusto mo, Adam?
Ay!
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Ang magka-batchmate, Binibini 2019. May iyak nagaganap.
Always here.
Oh. Ano yung basbas na ba yan, Emma?
Sister.
Batch me.
Matapos na ako. Ano kaya interview ito?
Ay, sige.
Reporter din yan. Reporter din yan.
Nakita niyo na, we're done with the round 1 and round 2 preliminary competition of MGI All-Stars. And now I'm excited to know who is your top 3. Let's start with pageant friend.
For me, of course, not to be biased, Philippines, Venezuela, and
Sineryoso lang.
Seryoso naman. Seryoso mo naman.
Okay.
Dash Factor, Gazini, Colombia, and Yamilex.
Abangan na lang natin, ipopost ko.
Ay.
Few,
Okay, can you give us like your top 5?
seryoso
Gazini,
Pageantologist.
Gazini, Venezuela, Peru, Colombia, and of course,
Next.
Interview.
ay yung sinet ni Ado, di ba? Hondas pa.
Okay, next.
Siya, Vanessa, Gana.
Last one.
And last one would be Bahala na.
Sounds like Ghana.
Yes!
Maraming candidate na may
Gana!
Next, the last one.
Ay, controversial yan. Siya. Gazini,
Controversial yan, Min.
Vanessa, Suhain, ng Peru, saka si Thailand.
Harina.
Fairness.
Let's call me. Babalik namin ang natin.
Babalik.
Ako,
Oo.
papanawag pa rin talaga. Gumawa ng production si Papa.
Oo. Masabi mo.
Iba to sa MGI. I mean, sa Hispanic International. So, I'm so excited. First ever MGI All-Stars. And, but yun pala, kasi 70% for the judges and 30% para sa ating supporters. Kaya naman, your vote matters.
Pero Emma, are you still allowed to compete here at the MGI All-Stars?
Wag na.
Tama na.
Emma.
Nasa ulit.
Emma na yan. Emma na yan.
Work na po. Work.
Tsaka, magastos. Sa letra B, kailangan ng
Budget!
kulang kayo. Hindi
Oo,
kayo-
dilagay. Ulit.
Sa letra B, kulang ng
Budget!
doon na lang tayo.
Kala ko ng bona. Charot. Anyway, thank you so much. Next na gabi.
Thank you so much.
Ikaw ba, sino bang favorite mo?
Ito na lang, kasi malapit-lapit na rin naman ang Miss Grand International. Sino sa tingin nyo ang dapat natin representative for the Philippines?
Wala, abangan natin yan. Kasi na, ibago tayong franchise na.
Si Michelle.
Atin muna natin yung ending para malaman mo kasi bago tayo malaman ang sino.
We might
Hintayin
bring all the media.
Back to you! Hintayin natin ang launching.
Oo nga.
Alam mo ha.
Kaya ayoko na nagtatanong sa stage na ako magtatanong.
Ayun. Nakakabangan natin yan sa mga susunod na buwan na araw ang launching. Baka weeks.
Baka tomorrow.
Baka next week. Oo nga.
Basta,
At dapat andun ka.
abang sino unang MGI All-Stars. Dalawang tulog na lang.
Oo, yes.
Emma, yung next year All-Stars ba, co-reigning siya with you or may idea ka or standard?
No idea. Inisip ko nga, mag-iikot din kaya si All-Stars.
Oo.
Yung ginagawa ng MGI or Grand International.
Bye.
Ah!
Sigat.
Sagana.
Ay, sigang.
Yan. At magpahinga na.
Ah, thank you. Bye.
Ganda.
Art Tabuso.
Okay. Ay, Pinoy. Galing.
Yes, and art. Soccer.
Ayun ba na yan? Akala ko tayo makeup artist. O, di ba? Proud Pinoy. Thanks, susunod ka. O, di ba ang galing? Susunod ka. Ang galing yun. Susunod ka. Akala ko tayo talaga yung iba akong palang team dito. Thank you.
Good night, Emma.
Oo, wow. Yes.
Free data.
Ayun ulit sila. Bye!
Sayang wala si Gotchabel. Oo, nandoon. Pero tinanong ko, who's more beautiful? Siyempre sa kanyang me. Bye-bye.
Bye na.
Dami na rin naman.
Dali ba dati? Ito na ba yun?
Christian.
Basta palaban mo. Huwag ka naman.
Ha?
Ano siya pa tayo? Okay. Fan? Playtime? Thank you everyone for tuning in to my live coverage of the round 2 of the preliminary competition after show. Marami pong salamat. Try ko pa hong kumontent sa hotel kung may ma-ambush pa tayo. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you to the 619 who are still watching. Remember Sir Adam, ano po yun? Oh, guys, hindi na talaga clear kasi yung microphone ko kung saan ang dami ko ng hawak.
Hi, Mother Fred. Sa grabe. Alin? Magpapala tayo. Ay, ano? Ada kasabay ka ba sa amin?
Thank you guys.
Kasabay ka sa amin?
Opo. Maraming salamat for tuning in. Until tomorrow, do you have any idea what will happen in the finals? I have no idea. Top 18. Ewan ko, top 18. Thank you for the coverage po. Walang anuman. Actually, wag yun lang pasalamatan. May mga iba rin akong kabaro na nagko-cover like Crown, Pau Kanyamo, Pageantology, Pageant Trend, Eventology, and Pageant Talk Philippines. Lahat po kami buhos effort, consolidated effort para ibigay sa inyo ang latest updates all the way here from Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, tomorrow guys, see you in 8 hours. Gigising tayo na maaga para sa bus departure. Hopefully, I'm expecting an earlier call time for the girls tomorrow. Marami pong salamat. Bye!